Welcome back to the channel. So today you're joining me out in Portugal and we're here to pick up a DC5. That's for Romain of Jap Service Parts. He's had the car out here. It's having a full restoration from Nuno at C-Spec Parts. We're going to go and take a look around the car, see what's been done. It's had a full respray, it had some interior trims and an engine refresh, so there's a lot to get through. Let's go and have a look. It's a little windy outside, so I thought I'd sit inside here just to fill you in what I've been up to with the car over the last couple of days. So initially we've got a base map loaded into the ECU. This is allowing me to put a couple hundred miles on the car over the weekend. That's to settle the rings in, get them bedded in. The rings, pistons, they've actually changed from the DC5 compression ratio of 11.5 to the FD2 compression ratio of 11.7/1. The higher compression ratio should then equal a little bit more power, but let's get outside, have a little look around the engine, see what else has been happening underneath the bonnet. There's a nice story around the name and the headrest there. If you think you know what this story is or who the person is, let us know in the comments below. Little look under the engine bay then. We know that we've got the RRC pistons inside the engine. We've got the RRC inlet manifold here. That's joined together with a catering throttle body onto the intake hose, and we've got genuine Group M intake. You might notice there's a small split on this intake hose where it's been taped together, but that's something we can address once we've got the car back to Dream. For the moment, it's sealed up and it will get us home. Once we've got the car back to Dream, we've also got an exhaust manifold to fit down the back there. Once we've got the exhaust manifold on, we're then going to get the car onto the dyno and have a session with Romain from Racecal. Made the first pit stop. I've been around, checked the tyre pressures, oil level, topped up the fuel, ready for the long drive back. Let's hit the road.
Another one. Another one. Another one.
So after covering 18 hours and 1,300 miles in the car, we've driven through Portugal with beautiful sunshine. We've gone to the north of Spain where there was heavy rain. Then into France where we've got dense clouds and fog where the visibility is real short. That along with a few pit stops for fuel and for espressos, I'm absolutely shattered. So we're going to get on the train and head back to Dream. We'll catch you back there. I've been back with the car a few days now, so it's given me a chance to get the manifold fitted and sort out this intake pipe. So both of those are done. Obviously the car's on the dyno and Romain's about to get started. Let's see what we can do. So Romain's just about to start the final run and see what it's going to do. So 250 horsepower, looks pretty healthy to me. Let's go and see what Romain thinks. So, tell us.
It's very good. It's pretty much exactly what I expect. If anything, even probably a bit higher. Normally on the dyno dynamics, we get about 245. But I think on this one, the engine's been built very well. There's no smoke, no smell. You've got the RRC pistons, I think,
yes,
as well.
RRC.
Yeah, so slightly higher compression. Don't need to run quite as much timing as we normally do to get the same power. And with these RRCs, the VTEC comes on at 4. You can see on the graph, I'm sure you'll post it on the video, just picks up straight away, nearly 180 foot-pound of torque, and it's 180 foot-pound from 4.7 to like 6.5, then drops off naturally, and make 251 on that last run, so even better than the one I just did before. So it's very strong. Just feels nice, like most of the Honda, you know, and they've got like the ground, like, yeah, it's nice build, easy to tune, nothing wrong with it, just perfect. Good. Cool. Yeah, good to it.
Great results today, 250 horsepower, all in all, after the long drive back and the extensive work that the car's been through, we're over the moon with the results. I'm sure Ramesh, the owner, will be as well, and we can't wait to hand the car back. So just to fill you in on the name on the seat, Angad is actually Ramesh's son. So the car's been preserved in the view that when Angad is ready to drive, that he's going to be passed down the DC5. Remember, if you liked the video today, please leave us a comment below, hit the like, share and subscribe buttons, and we look forward to bringing you the next one. If you're ever in need of any service or maintenance parts for your Japanese car, hit up Ramesh at japserviceparts.com.